All right, today's free preset is named Ultra Color. We're going to take a look at that. And then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's take a look at our raw file first. ISO 135mm f8 and a little bit more exposure. Let's go one stop over, and we got sort of a blue overcast. We're going to take the white balance eyedropper here. We're going to find an RGB value that's fairly close, 93, 93, 97. So let's just give that a click. A little bit too warm, and then drop it down a little bit and go to our free preset. So here's before and here's after. Before and after, really nice color, and has a nice film fade you'll notice in the shadows. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. We've got all our presets here, and we're going to get to our profiles in one moment. Let's go down to the FE, the film emulation. There's different film emulation folders here, but this one has a nice mix of profiles. And let's find the Ultra 100. So we've got Ultra 100 here. Really nice colors come through. Go with the first one. And we're going to just dial it back a little bit and just find the color 85. And over here in our profiles, you'll notice it's pulling from the chroma fade. We've got it currently at 9. And what this does, it just adds a really nice film fade. You notice the shadows up here. I'm going to go quite a bit, 80, because I like the look of that. Looks nice. I just drop the highlights a little bit, and there we go. So we quickly color corrected this, white balance, and brought in some nice color and a film fade. Here you can see really close. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset, Ultra Color, and also put a link to the Creative Flow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.